Hello and good day to you. I'm Evangelist Hunt here today to bring you Wednesday, September the 11th, 2024, your daily home Bible reading. Today's lesson is titled, Very Soon My Anger Will End, and is found in Isaiah, the 10th chapter, 20 through the 25th verse. In these few verses of scripture, we're talking about Israel and the Assyrian army. Do you know the Assyrian army? They just smoked Israel to a pulp, to the point they only had a remnant left. A surviving remnant of Israel was left. A straggling surviving remnant was left, to the point God said they would no longer abuse Israel. Now, Israel will lean and depend on God. Yes, the holy God of Israel. They will learn to depend on him. Now, this remnant left will come back to God, the God of their fathers. Now, that's a good point, but then it's also sad to me because they had to go through such abuse, which was unnecessary, because they could have stayed under God's armor protection the whole time if they were not disobedient to God. Now, but look at verse 25, and it reads, For yet a little while, and the indignation shall cease, and mine anger in their destruction. So what God is saying here is that his fury, he will cease from Israel, but he will turn the destruction on their enemies. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Very soon, my anger will cease. God bless.